So how do you produce a compelling customer testimony? Next on the Compel Media Moment. A customer testimony is one of the most powerful tools you can use in drawing people in to buy your product or service.
It's not you sharing why your prospect needs you, but someone from the outside telling others to come and buy.
But what's the best way to tell your customer's story? I found the following format to be very successful.
First, your customer tells what life was like before buying from you. What was their challenge? Perhaps they were using a competitor's product and not getting the right results. The second part is when they discovered your company and what attracted them to you. The third part is their experience in the buying process. How easy was it? How friendly was your staff? Fourth, they shared about how your product or service made a difference in their life after using it. Fifth, they would share why they would recommend you to others.
Finally, the video closes with the call to action.
This call to action can be done by the customer, you, or a narrator. The length of a customer testimony can usually range between 1 minute to 3 minutes. Sometimes you can include multiple testimonies in one video, which makes it even more powerful.
So go and get those stories from your customers.
When your company is ready to hire a producer for an upcoming marketing video project, we'd love to be a resource for you. Please reach out to me by phone, email, or through one of our social media platforms, and I'd be glad to meet with you and your team. Thanks for watching. I look forward to making you more successful in your video marketing efforts.